Hello everyone, it's Kevin, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Polkassembly, a governance explorer and discussion forum for the Polkadot ecosystem. Moonriver features native on-chain governance, which allows token holders to determine the direction of the network through token and conviction-weighted voting. Furthermore, Moonriver has implemented OpenGov, also known as Gov2. So today, we'll be taking a look at participating in governance on Moonriver with Polkassembly in the context of OpenGov. For more information about OpenGov and how it works, be sure to check out the links in the description. Polkassembly is the place to go when you're ready to vote on a referendum, but what if you still need more details before you're ready to vote? Well, the governance process starts on the Moonbeam community forum, which you can access at forum.moonbeam.foundation. Before any proposals are launched on-chain, they're always prefaced by a post on the Moonbeam community forum, where individuals can engage in Q&A and discussion. In this video, we'll go through the steps of voting on Polkassembly from start to finish. You'll learn how to sign up for Polkassembly, how to vote on active referenda, and how to free up any funds locked in democracy. First thing you'll need to do upon visiting Polkassembly is to create an account, and you can do so by clicking on Login. We'll go ahead and press Sign Up. And you can sign up via email or by signing a message with your wallet. So let's go ahead and sign up. I'll go ahead and press Sign Up with Web3 address. And as you can see, Polkassembly supports a number of different wallets. Now, you'll need to be able to sign and confirm transactions using a Moonriver or Ethereum-based address. The Polkadot.js extension does not currently support signing from Ethereum-based addresses. For this demo, I'll choose MetaMask. Then select the account that you'd like to connect and use for Polkassembly. If you need to change it, just head up to your wallet and go ahead and change the account. And after you've changed it, make sure that the account is connected properly to the site. Then I'll go ahead and press sign up, and I'll be prompted to sign a message here in MetaMask. You can verify the contents of the message, and then go ahead and press sign. At the homepage, you'll see a list of ongoing referenda. With OpenGov, there are several different tracks that correspond to the magnitude of the proposed change, such as root, whitelisted caller, and general admin. For more information about the different OpenGov tracks, check out the links in the description. Let's demonstrate voting on this sample referendum that I just created. If the original proposer has added a description, you'll see it here, and the original proposer can also add a descriptive title as well. Let's click on the on-chain info tab here, and you can see the actual change that's being proposed. So in this case, it's a simple system remark. On the right panel, you can see the status of the vote. So let's go ahead and cast our vote. And make sure that you're connected with the account that contains the mover tokens you'd like to vote with. If you don't see the account that you were expecting, you can switch accounts in your wallet and then ensure that your wallet has exposed or connected those accounts to Polkassembly. Next, we'll enter the number of tokens that we'd like to lock up for this vote. You can vote with tokens that are already staked, and there's no minimum amount to vote. Remember that you should always save some funds for gas, so never lock your entire balance. Then, choose the vote lock period. This is where you specify your conviction and where you can express an outsized influence relative to your own tokens by locking them up for a longer period of time. Be aware that regardless of the conviction you choose, your committed tokens are reserved in a democracy lock, at least until the end of the voting period. As an example, suppose you choose a conviction of 1 times your voting balance, which carries a 1-day lock period in Moonriver. And suppose that the referendum is up for voting for another 4 days after you vote. Your tokens will remain locked for that 4-day period, plus the 1-day lock period corresponding to the chosen conviction. If you change your mind while a referendum is still open for voting, you're free to remove your vote and free up your committed tokens. Conviction lock periods are measured in blocks, and block production speed can vary, so bear in mind that the times given are only estimates. For this example, we'll choose a vote lock of 1 times our voting balance. Review your selections carefully, and then click the buttons corresponding to aye or nay. In this case, we'll choose aye. Go ahead and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And our vote was successful. Upon refreshing the page, you'll see the updated turnout results. Now, there's one more thing we need to review, and that's how to free up funds that are locked in democracy. Once the lock time is passed, you can unlock your tokens in Polkassembly by clicking on your username in the upper left-hand corner, and then clicking on Settings. And scroll down to the section that says Unlock Democracy Locks. Go ahead and select your desired account here from the dropdown, and then you'll see an accounting of the different referenda that you've participated in that have locked up your tokens. So in this case, we have our 1 mover locked here, and it is a 2-step process. And the first step is to remove the vote, and then the second part is to actually unlock the lock. So let's go ahead and press remove. We'll go ahead and press confirm. We can now go ahead and press unlock, and we'll confirm the transaction in MetaMask. You can also unlock your funds locked in democracy at apps.moonbeam.network. And that's it. In this video, we covered how to sign up for Polkassembly, how to vote on referenda, and how to free tokens locked in democracy. In the video description, you'll find all of the relevant links for Polkassembly on Moonbeam, Moonriver, and Moonbase Alpha. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.